there, this is IVU and today I'm back at Ang Mo Kio Estate and would like to show you a moving condition HDB 3-room flat where good connectivity, good amenities, great food choices all in one location. Developed in 1970s, Ang Mo Kio was the 7th new town to be built in Singapore. The town council concept was also first launched here as a pilot project in 1986. Today, the town offers many facilities for live, work, play and learn, interweaving the old and new lifestyle, catering to the changing needs of the residents. This 3NG HDB flat is north-south facing with total floor area of 68 square meter or 732 square feet. The older HDB flats layout are larger with good sized hall and bedrooms that even fits large wardrobes and king-size bed. The nostalgic broken marble flooring covers the entire hall and bedrooms. It is so well maintained, the new owner can consider retaining it instead of incurring renovation costs. On many reno or home design portals, this broken marble flooring are commonly featured as part of many interior designs. This evergreen flooring makes an elegant design statement in any space. It will blend into your decor style of choice. There are plenty of decor ideas you can find online too. The bright and airy kitchen was renovated with plenty of storage with these kitchen cabinets. Wow! The kitchen cabinets and fixtures are so well maintained, saving you the hassle to renovate. Just like the main hall, the kitchen window enjoys the same north-south facing, so windy and bright. Like to share, both bathrooms underwent the Home Improvement Program, which is fully paid by the owner. You do not have to worry about any extra costs. At the next block 151, you will find a coffee shop if you are looking for a quick meal, or you can walk a few minutes to Mayflower Market and Food Centre for more selections. Enjoy shopping at the wet market, supermarket and HDB neighbourhood shops for all your daily essentials. Living in Ang Mo Kio will be a definite choice if you love local fares. Conveniently located in 2 MRT stations, just minutes walking distance to Yio Chu Kang MRT and Mayflower MRT. There are many good schools in Ang Mo Kio Estate too. Choices are Mayflower Primary, Yio Chu Kang Secondary, Ang Mo Kio Primary and Secondary and many more. Calling all nature lovers, fancy going for a jog or would like to bring your doggy to the park? Just at your doorstep, you will reach Ang Mo Kio Town Garden West Park, where you will enjoy your every morning exercise routine and fresh greenery air. Wait no more, contact me for exclusive viewing. This is IVU from AEG Division, OrangeTee and Thai, serving you since 1996.